Alright, hey guys, this is NTI day 7. A couple people had some questions on it, so we'll post this little video on how to do it. I posted this is the actual formula that you have to use for this. We did this a couple of months ago, so this should not be brand new material for you. Just need a quick refresher on some of it. Finding the distance between 2 points, it's not terrible. It's actually Pythagorean theorem, really, but it's, you have 2 points, and some of y'all don't care. But you have 2 points, and what this is doing is saying, okay, what is this distance right here? Well, it's making a right triangle where that's x, and that's a squared, and that's b squared, and that'd be c squared. It's really, literally the same kind of formula, but they just call it something different when they just do that. So, on this one, the formula is right here. The distance is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Okay? So they've done this formula for you, or they've done this little problem for you already. All you have to know is the first number is x, and both of them, and the second number is y, and I would say 1, 1, 2, 2, and that's what they get 2. All right, so once you do this, you plug it in, you do 5, which is this one, 5 minus 1 squared, which is 4 squared, okay? And over here they did 4 minus 7, which would be negative 3 squared. In order to do that, they did 4 squared is 16, negative 3 squared is 9. They gave me 25. They took the square root of 25 and they got 5. Okay, that's a pretty easy example. Most of the time, you're probably not going to get a whole number. Most of the time, you're going to get a decimal, and that's fine. We can go ahead and write out decimals. So I've got another example up here I'm going to do with you. This is just one I made up. So it's x, y, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Not crazy math here. I'm just going to plug them into this formula. So it's going to be the square root, okay, of x2 minus x1. So x2 is 6 minus x1, which is 2 squared, plus y2, which is negative 4, minus y1, which is 3 squared. Okay, so I'm going to do all that and figure out what's on the inside first, inside the parentheses. So when I do that, I'll change colors. I've got 6 minus 2, which is 4. So it's going to be 4 squared plus negative 4 minus 3 would be negative 7 squared. So it's the square root of both of those. Negative 4 squared is 16 plus negative 7 squared is 49. Square root of that. All right, figure out what that is. 16 plus 49. Let's get a calculator. 16 plus 49 is 65. So the square root of 65 is going to be my answer. Second square root of 65, and we get 8.06. So this is about 8.06. Okay, that's it. That's all you got to do. If you don't have a graphic calculator, Desmos works, or scientific calculator would do this. Actually, your phone probably has a scientific mode in your calculator that you can get a square root on. But yeah, so not too terrible. You can get decimals, that is fine. Get that first NTI page done for me. You all are kind of behind. I think I've got one person in my whole geometry class that's turned in a single worksheet, where I've got algebra kids that are completely doing everything. So kind of need you to pick it up a little bit. I have to start calling home pretty soon if you don't start doing something. Okay?